To use your Capital One card before it arrives, you first need to understand that Capital One offers digital access to your card information as soon as you are approved for a card. This allows you to start using your card immediately for online purchases, in-app payments, and other digital transactions. Step 1 is to download the Capital One mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once the app is installed, you can log in using your username and password or create an account if you do not already have one. After logging in, navigate to the section of the app where your new card information is displayed. This is usually under the Account Summary or Card Details section. Here you will find your card number, expiration date, and security code, which are necessary for making online purchases. Now that you have access to your card information, you can start using it to make purchases online or through mobile apps. Simply enter your card number, expiration date, and security code as you would with a physical card. Another way to use your Capital One card before it arrives is by adding it to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. To do this, open your digital wallet app, select the option to add a new card, and enter your card information. Best practice is to keep your card information secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. It is also important to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any potential fraud. In addition to making purchases, you can also use the Capital One mobile app to set up account alerts, track your spending, and pay your bill before your physical card arrives. By following these steps, you can start using your Capital One card immediately after approval, without having to wait for the physical card to arrive in the mail. This provides greater convenience and flexibility for managing your finances and making purchases on the go.